Okay, let's start. First, can you tell me something about yourself?
Thank you. I am Joanna Melissa Bansag and I recently graduated from college with several qualifications that are an excellent match to this position. And also, I am a varsity player since I was elementary until I graduate in college. I am self-disciplined, diligent, committed to lifelong learning, and genuinely wants to build success career in this industry.
Why should the company that you are applying will hire you?
I'm sincere with my work. I will never let you down in any way. As a person, I bring a lot to the tables in terms of skills and ability. I'm very adapted and flexible to learning new things, which means I will be able to contribute something capable to the growth of industry. It will make great platform to showcase my skill.
Why should they not hire?
They should not hire teacher who lacks qualification or experience the subject. Poor communication skills and an inability to manage student, hiring the wrong teacher risks not only the student education but also the school reputation as well.
Give three major strengths that you have.
I'm honest and self-motivated person and also I'm a quick learner and a great team player and leadership abilities are among my great strength. I have a natural aptitude for inspiring and motivating others, and I'm able to effectively delegate tasks, provide guidance, and foster a collaborative team environment.
Give one major opportunity that you possess.
One major opportunity that possessed to me is that I was given a full scholar here in De La Salle University Das Marinas as a student athlete or varsity player in my college first year until I graduated. It's a big opportunity to me.
What sets you apart from the other candidates?
What set me apart from other candidates? It's my commitment to creating exclusive dynamic learning environments that cater to diverse player needs. My hands-on approach and passion for promoting lifelong fitness enable to inspire player not only to excel in sports but also to develop essential life skill.
Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.